Hello.
Hello.
We are at the mall right now together, Sister Day.
Yes.
So we're gonna go shopping and we're just walking around and just seeing what stores we go to.
I love this. No, this one.
Pink, pink, pink. Let's go. Yo también.
Ya, puedo ver para tú darles dulu.
I said we should have a date at the Lamborghini store. I'm kinda scary, hard to read, I'm like a wizard boy. But I'm a boss bitch, who you gonna leave me for? Como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé. Un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taki, 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 rumba.
What are you doing? I'm really hoping that the person in front of me doesn't take the spot that I see someone backing out of. But at this rate, it looks like they are, and I'm gonna be really sad.
Oh my
And
god.
they're taking my spot. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. The person that I thought was gonna take the parking spot ended up not even taking it. It was somebody else who took it. This is rough. Rough life. Rough, I say. This is just
Oh my god,
rough.
my nails look so cute.
This is rough. I broke my nail walking into Olive Garden. It's broken. Rest in peace, nail. It's gone. I have to get it fixed now. So, what? Olive Garden is packed.
Yeah.
Full. We have like a 40-minute wait.
Look at that. Oh my goodness.
40-minute wait. It's a long wait. So hello.
Hello. Mommy, stop.
We're at Olive Garden. Hello.
Yes,
With the family.
Yes.
We're waiting for food. The bread's really delicious though. So yay. My nail's still broken, but I got a band-aid for it.
So see you soon, YouTube.